someone told me love was only in the movies. It don't exist in real life these days, no. But you showed me if I only just find the faith I need to believe. Anything is possible if you want it bad enough. Know the sky ain't too high. Test your limits. You can feel unstoppable, incredible. Almost there, I can see. I'm so ready.
Oh my god!
This is crazy.
I'm literally in heaven right now.
Ace family.
So crazy.
Look at these huge crystals.
Oh my gosh, I need all the good energy I can have. Look at this amethyst one. This is
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
We want like one massive crystal for like our entry, because you guys know like the entry is pretty high. So we want something like this, but maybe bigger.
I feel like the all white one matches our house.
Yeah.
Right?
The guy said, the owner of the store said that we can actually touch them. Touching them.
Ooh, good energy right here. Good energy. This one's different.
Yeah. And then they also have like little ones. Ooh, that's cool.
Ooh, look at this one. Look at this one. The heart. This one's different. Unique.
Yeah, that's pretty.
The hole in it.
I actually like these like wood ones. Look, it has like a little light on it.
I don't really like those so much.
I think it's cool. It kind of looks like a guitar.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Wow. I feel like all of these are nice.
I know. I know you like this one. The color of this one.
Oh yeah. This right here, this color. I want one of these, but like massive. Ooh, look at this one. This one's pretty big, but I feel like it's not big enough. I honestly think we should get one that's like taller than me.
Yeah.
Like,
Because we're gonna have it forever.
yeah. How are we gonna pick one? These are all nice.
I want one like a pretty decent one, like in our living room or.
I kind of like the long ones too, like the long skinny ones.
Yeah.
Those are cool.
Ace family, have you seen any crystals that you really like? Make sure to comment down below and let us know what you guys like.
This one's pretty cool. This reminds me of like a cactus or something.
Yeah, but it's pretty.
It is.
Ooh, imagine this one in your bathroom.
Oh yeah.
That might be too extra.
I love that. Hey Ace family.
Welcome back to our channel, guys.
What's going on, everybody? If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family.
So Ace family, as you just saw, we just got done looking at crystals. We're actually looking for a beautiful, massive amethyst crystal for the entry of our house. As you guys might know or might not know, amethyst is actually for calmness and serenity, and people often use it for like meditation and stuff, so we really need that for our house.
And the owner did say that he's getting ready to go to Brazil next month to find a massive one for us.
Yeah, so it was like perfect timing, because we didn't actually think to run into him.
Yes.
But he was there and he was telling us that he's going next month, which is perfect timing because there's like so many over there, and like he's gonna be able to like send us pictures.
Supposedly he said out in Brazil there's one as tall as like our front door, which I don't know how it's gonna get inside of our house.
And it's like 6,000 pounds.
Yes.
Super heavy.
It's massive, but that's the one we're looking for, so if we can get that for us, whew, I'm gonna love him forever.
I feel like having like a massive, beautiful crystal like that in our house is really gonna bring like calmness to us.
I feel like it makes our house kind of like a museum in a way. Like whoever comes over is gonna want to take a picture with that crystal.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I think so.
I like that.
Yeah, me too. Knowing us, we're probably gonna name it
or the Ace family will have a name for it. So now Ace family, we're getting ready to head over to finally start looking for Catherine's wedding dress.
So guys, I know exactly what I'm looking for. I know exactly how I want my wedding dress to look.
You do?
Yes.
Okay.
So we're gonna go to a couple of stores.
Who knows? We might find the one today, which is kind of cool.
That would be crazy.
Ace fam, you guys get to experience and go on the journey with us to find Catherine's wedding dress. By the way, guys, we will have a date for you shortly, so stay tuned for that. And we're gonna definitely need some luck today, because when it comes to finding the perfect wedding dress, it could take some time.
Yeah.
So hopefully today's a good luck charm. We just find it the first day we start looking.
Yeah, I just want to show you like what I like. I feel like if I show you what I like and I talk about it, then maybe I'll attract it.
Yes. And who knows? Somehow. The Ace fan may have some like
suggestions. Yeah, for sure.
They may know someone.
Or they might make dresses.
Or someone might make dresses. Who's a part of the Ace family?
That would be kind of cool.
All right, you ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Which floor is it on?
Fourth.
Ooh, you excited?
Yeah, I want you to see all the dresses. But the one that I pick, you're not gonna see, so I'm just gonna show you like what I like the styles that I like and stuff. Oh, I'm nervous.
Kind of nervous. What? Oh, this is so beautiful. This makes me happy.
Don't mess me up about the logo is the.
This makes me so happy.
Okay, so
Where do we start?
should I tell the assembly what I'm looking for?
I think you should.
Okay, so I'm just gonna tell you. So I am looking for a strapless dress, right? And like a massive trunk, like a massive veil.
Oh,
Whatever
you want to
that's
be
called.
seen.
Yeah, so I want it like princess-like.
Oh, I like that.
Like like I'm talking about huge. So I'm not really seeing that right now over here.
Well, let's go look. Let's go take a look.
Yeah,
Let's go look. Ooh, that's pretty.
Like bigger than this. Like 10 times the size of that.
10 times? What? That's pretty big.
These are pretty, but not my style. I feel like when I see it, I'll know.
I think I see one popping out.
What? Where?
The big one right there.
Oh, that one?
That one. Ooh. This one. Ace family, what you think? Ooh, that one's nice.
But not what I'm looking for.
Still no?
This is kind of cool. What is this? I mean, this isn't what I'm looking for. But,
That's like real sexy.
But I definitely do need like a reception dress, right?
Uh-huh.
I need a dress after my actual.
True, that's really
ceremony
nice.
dress. And I'm definitely looking for like a pure white dress. Like I don't want like an off-white,
Yeah,
or
yeah,
a
yeah.
nude or a beige. I definitely want it like super white.
Baby, can you please try this one on for me, please? Actually, I got two. I got two for you to try on. I want you to try this big one on over here. Okay? And then I want you to try this very sexy one right here.
What about this one?
Ooh,
Ooh.
I do like that one. It's really nice. Yeah, try that one on. Ooh.
You know, they say it's bad luck to try your dress on in front of your groom before the actual wedding date.
Okay, but you're not gonna get this one though.
No, I know.
So, it's fine.
Okay, I'll try this one.
Just take this
one,
off.
okay.
Yeah. Is it the strapless? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, family.
Yeah, I wore
Catherine's
strapless,
trying
that's what
on
I'm looking for.
a wedding
Strapless.
dress right now. Oh my gosh, baby. This is so crazy.
Okay, so this is huge.
She looks
Actually, you know what?
Okay, now this,
Oh my
give it
gosh.
a strap, put the straps on.
I'm about to start crying.
Okay.
What size is this one?
It's Israeli 38.
Okay,
I'm thinking it's 4.
size 4.
Okay, now. Put your hand tight on your waist. Hold your waist.
Alright, Sam, you can't see her just yet. Ooh. Oh, I'm nervous to show you guys.
Now,
Should I take the bra off, you think, or no? Just leave it, right?
if you want to see how it, oh, you're fine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're
Oh, he can take it out.
Oh my god, you are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at you go.
Austin, you're going.
Look at you go, mama. What?
Actual pants.
Wow. Wow. Yo, Ace family. Look at this queen right here.
How? I don't know how I would wear my hair.
Oh my goodness, baby. Look at you.
Hold on, there. She's not done yet.
No matter. It's beautiful regardless.
So you see what I mean by like I want something massive?
Yes, I see. This is so beautiful. What do you think? This is beautiful? Yeah, see? She said. Yeah. This fits you. Wow.
We have to go to the back.
Yeah, look at the back.
Wow.
Can you see this dress? Oh, yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, I know you want more like blossom at the bottom, but I love this dress.
So I decided that I really like the jewels. Like a bustier with jewels.
Hold on, I wanna take a picture with you too.
I need to take the
Let me get
bra
in
off because I feel like it looks so junky.
Put your arm around me. Ace family, take a screenshot and tweet us. Soon to be.
So you like it?
I love it.
You do?
I love it. Can you walk over to that one though? I want to see that one next to this one.
Walk in the,
Oh, you can't?
You have to pull it.
yeah,
Oh.
no, I can't. I just literally just have to stand here. But you like it though, right? You
I do.
see my
I do.
vision now?
Yeah, I see your vision.
You get it? Because obviously you can't see my actual dress before.
Yeah.
I know.
You surprised me.
Yeah, it has to
know.
be a surprise.
But I do like this too. I know what you're talking about with this too. It's nice.
Alrighty, well thank you so much. I really
You're
appreciate
welcome.
it. Thank you. This is very beautiful. And I like the bustier. Now I know that that's what I like. Because when I saw it over there hanging, I was like, that's kind of like the style that I'm looking for. But I actually don't want it to have straps.
Well, there
I
are
wanna take a
gowns
strap.
without straps, and if you choose this one, the fitter will take the straps off.
Yeah. Alright, Ace family, what do you guys think? Comment below what you guys feel. This is beautiful. So,
I feel like the dress is alright. I just feel like you make it beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Ace family, this is crazy right now. Like, I can't believe this is really happening. She has a wedding dress on right now. It may not be the wedding dress, but it's a wedding dress. This is really happening. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I wish we could just take that one home so you can just like wear it around the house.
imagine if someone actually did that. Oh, I would be able to give my dress to Elle.
Yeah.
She's older.
Wait,
Okay.
she got a long time from now. She got
She's probably
about,
gonna want her own dress.
yeah, she got about 40
By
years.
then, they make so many different things.
I know, right?
Baby, I'm gonna be honest. That dress was nice and all,
But what?
I feel like you're gonna have something crazier than that. Like, you're gonna have some ridiculous shit that's gonna just be
Austin
like.
on camera was like, no, you're not getting that shit. You're getting something way better.
I was just trying to be nice because, you know, the lady was right there and I didn't want to offend her. The dress was nice, but Catherine gonna have some just over the top ridiculousness. I'm talking about Ace family. Just wait till you see what Catherine about to really get. Wait, where are the girls? Girls, we're home.
Mommy's world.
Oh my goodness. Hi, girls.
And then her want my iPad and then her play with me.
Really? Look at, oh, she giving you a hug. Oh. How about you guys take a picture really quick for the Ace family? Get close. Get close to her.
Hey,
Put your arm around her.
hey, that's my baby sister.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna take a picture on 3. Put your arm around her.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, that's cute
I
too.
like that.
Yeah, there you go, perfect. Ready? Alea, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile. Alea. What kind? Alea, what kind?
Yeah, what kind of smile is that?
You guys are crazy. Guess where mommy and daddy went today? We went to go look for wedding dresses for mama. Yeah, wedding dresses.
You know what that is? Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you gonna wear for mommy's wedding?
I want to play hide and seek.
You
What?
wanna play hide and seek?
We're talking about wedding dresses. You gonna want a dress too for the wedding?
Yeah, but I want to play hide and seek.
Okay, well we gotta close out the video first. Okay, you wanna tell the Ace family bye?
Yeah, bye.
Say bye, we're gonna play hide and seek. Aww.
Aww.
You just made it super foggy. You guys look like you're in a cloud now.
Bye.
Oh, you gave him a hug too? You love the Ace family?
Oh, you're so sweet, baby.
So thank you all for tuning in. As always, we're gonna go ahead and close out today's video right here. But before we close out today's video, we do have to give our post notification shout out to who, babe?
Oh, Okay, so today's post notification shout out actually goes to somebody who's been an OG fan since 2016.
Hey.
And she was laughing because in our last video we said that we named her car Shelby White, and she was like, that's my name. So today's post notification shout out goes to Shelby White.
Hey, shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for being part of the Ace family. You already know we love you. Whoever else like a post notification shout out, all you gotta do is subscribe to the Ace family, hit that subscribe button, turn on our post notifications, hit that bell button, and once you do those two things, all you gotta do is comment done. And obviously, if you like today's video, you gotta give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up for Catherine's future wedding dress. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like me and my beautiful family always say, we'll be back with more videos. Peace. Say bye, Leia. Say peace. Oh, oh, oh. Say peace. Oh, okay. Give him a hug again.
That was a real hug.
You wanna say bye, Leia?
Bye.
Oh, she's trying to get to you guys. She's trying to say bye. Say bye. Bye, girls. Peace.